Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I know a lot of you have been asking: where is Poppy Bank headquartered? Now, before we get into that, let's talk a little bit about Poppy Bank. It's a community bank that was founded in 2004 and is headquartered in Santa Rosa, California. Poppy Bank has a strong commitment to serving its local communities, and it offers a wide range of banking products and services, including checking and savings accounts, mortgages, and business loans. So, now that we know a little bit about Poppy Bank, let's get back to the question at hand: where is Poppy Bank headquartered? Well, as I mentioned earlier, Poppy Bank is headquartered in Santa Rosa, California. The bank's main office is located at 438 First Street, Suite 100. If you're ever in the Santa Rosa area, I encourage you to stop by the Poppy Bank headquarters and check it out for yourself. You can also learn more about the bank online at their website. In addition to its main office in Santa Rosa, Poppy Bank also has a number of branches throughout California. So, no matter where you live in the state, you're likely to have a Poppy Bank branch near you. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions about Poppy Bank, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, I'd like to thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.